the National Executive Committee, after extensive and solemn deliberations, resolved to appoint Senator Dr. Oburu Odinga to serve as the party leader in an interim capacity. This appointment shall remain in force pending ratification by the National Delegates Convention. Can I have a member of the National Executive Committee to propose and another to second before we put the question?
Thank you. I propose.
Thank you. A seconder?
I second.
Thank you very much.
Let me put the question. The Orange Democratic Movement special session of the National Governing Council meeting on this 13th day of November 2025 at Fort Jesus, Mombasa County, and invoking its powers as set out under Article 52 and considering the obligations of the National Executive Committee as set out under Article 51 and the duties of the National Chairperson as provided for in Article 16 and as read together with Article 15 of the Orange Democratic Party Constitution, and recalling the meeting of the National Executive Committee held on 16th October 2025, do hereby resolve and adopt the report of the National Executive Committee dated 16th October 2025, seeking to fill the vacant position of party leader with Senator Dr. Oburu Odinga, and the same shall now constitute the records of the Orange Democratic Movement Party, effecting the changes in the aforementioned position, subject to ratification and adoption by the National Delegates Convention. And I now put the question that as many as are of the opinion of adoption of Dr. Oburu Odinga as party leader of the ODM party, say aye. As many as are of a contrary opinion, say nay. The ayes have it. Makofi kwa Senator Dr. Oburu Odinga, the new party leader of the Orange Democratic Movement Party. Congratulations.